weights today, but we'll just start with a little warm up. As you inhale, lift the shoulders. As you exhale, roll them down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, roll them back and down. Inhaling, exhaling, and once more inhaling and exhaling. Reach your arms up to shoulder height. Turn your palms facing me as you open the arms wide. Try to draw the arms slightly back behind you. Reach the arms back to shoulder height, palms facing down and releasing back down. Inhaling, rise the arms up. Turn the palms to face me as you open the arms wide. Draw those shoulder blades back towards one another. Back to shoulder height and release back down. Inhaling, opening, exhaling. Inhaling and release, and once more, shoulder height, open wide, back to shoulder height and release back down. One arm up, one arm slightly behind, and then switching. Bend the knees as the arms go one side. Now look where my knees are. It's not drawing the knees over the toes, so you're sinking your bum down on an imaginary seat, and then straighten. Bend the knees and straighten. So it doesn't have to be too much of a bend. And then if you can, lift the heels. So we're bending the knees and then lifting the heels. Or one or the other, if two together is too much. Breathing. And once more. And releasing. Right foot forward, left foot back. Drop the back heel down. Turn your palms forward, your thumbs facing out. Reach the arms behind and hinging forward from the hips, stomach's drawn in. Reach the arms behind. Reach and lower. Reach and lower. Make sure the chin has a little gap between your chest, so the crown of the head is an extension of your spine. Reach and lower. So we're looking for a stretch through the back calf, and we're working the muscles at the back of the body, counteracting rounded shoulders. Reach and lower, reach and lower. Switching legs, left foot forward, right foot back. Drop the heel down, draw the stomach in. Reach the arms behind, reach and lower. So when we lower the arms, we're still trying to keep the arms behind us. Check your posture, your back shouldn't be aching at all. If it is, you could just do the arms without the legs. Reach and lower. Palms are facing forward, thumbs to the outside. Reach and lower, and reach and lower. Release, rolling out through your shoulders. Right foot forward, left foot back. This time, lift the heel of the back foot and bend your knees. So the back knee is either in alignment with the hip or further back. Reach your arms up to shoulder height. Draw the arms back, elbows stay high. Turn the palms to face me. Then reach the arms up as you straighten through the legs. Bend the knees, bend the elbows. Keep the knees bent, palms facing down. Reach the arms forward. Draw the arms in, palms facing forward. Reach the arms up, straighten the legs. Bend the knees, palms down. Extend the arms forward. Draw the arms back, palms facing forward. Reach the arms up, straighten the leg. Bend the knees, bend the elbows, palms facing down. Reach and lower. Switching legs, left foot forward, right foot back. Lift the heel of the back foot. Bend both knees. Reach your arms forward, palms facing down. Draw the arms back, squeeze through those shoulder blades slightly. Palms facing forward, reach the arms up, straighten through the legs. Bend the knees, palms down, reach forward. Bend the elbows, palms facing forward, straighten the legs, reach through the arms. Bend the knees, palms down, keep those elbows lifted if you can. Reach forward, elbows back, palms forward, reach up. Bend the knees, bend the elbows, palms down, reach forward. So we're also working our heart here because we're keeping our hands high, and particularly when we lift the arms up over our head. Last one, elbows back, palms forward, reach up, bend, extend the arms forward, release the back leg, giving a little shake out. Taking the legs wide, toes slightly out, probably to 11 in one, maybe on the clock. Stomach drawn in, hands to the top, the legs or to the waist. Draw the stomach in and hinge forward from the hips until you feel a stretch throughout the back of the legs. Draw the stomach in and rise back up. So hinging forward, nice and slowly. And rising back up. And last one, hinging forward, stretching through the backs of the legs. And rising back up, rolling out through the shoulders, bringing one leg in and the other. And then taking hold of our weights. Feet hip distance apart. Reach your arms forward, palms facing one another. Extend the arms out to the side, draw the shoulder blades back. Reach the arms back to shoulder height. So we're opening up, then back to shoulder height. If the arms get tired or if you did have any heart issues, you lower the arms down in between. Otherwise, we try to work a little harder by keeping the arms up, draw the elbows back and forward. So you can have a little slight bend in the elbows as you draw them back. Exhaling as you draw back, squeeze through the shoulders. Inhale as you release. Exhaling and inhaling. Check the neck, so okay, if the neck gets tired, rest for a moment. Last one. And release, rolling out through the shoulders. So feet, we can either be on our train tracks, 1 foot forward, 1 foot back, or more on the tightrope, back of the heel toward the front of the toe. Extend your arms behind, keep them behind, reach and lower slightly. Exhale, reach, inhale, lower. Draw the legs into one another if you've got them on the tightrope version to help engage through the leg muscles. Reach and lower. Reach and lower. Make sure the knees have a softness to them so there's no strain in the knee. Reach and lower. Reach and lower. Last one. Reach and lower. Rolling out through the shoulders. Switching legs. Reach the arms behind, this time palms facing away, so the thumbs facing toward one another. Reach and lower slightly. So we're trying at all times to keep the arms behind us. Reach and lower. Reach and lower. There's no tension through your toes. There's no tension through your jaw. Reach and lower. Exhale, reach. Inhale, lower. Exhale, reach. Inhale, lower. 2 more. Lift and lower. Last one. Lift and lower. Release. Rolling out through your shoulders. Good. Both arms up. Bend the elbows. And then reach. So you could either interlace your hands here if both weights could go, or you could just have one weight, or you could just have them individually. Lowering and lift, or together. Lowering and lift. Make sure you're not arching through the back. Stomach's drawn in, so there's no leaning back. Bend and lift. Bend and lift. If the neck gets tired, or if you did have any heart issues, you need to lower your arms down in between each one. Bend and lift. Bend and lift. And last one, bend and lift. Release. rolling out through your shoulders. Placing the weights down. So we've been doing a little brain training recently. So brain training helps the left and right hemispheres of the brain work together. So we'll be doing a balance with some hand movements. First of all, I'll show you the hand movements. So the first one, we want 1 with one hand and 4 with the other. And then switching. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Might be more challenging than you think. So when you start off, just change 1 and then go to 4. When you feel you've grasped it a little, change them together. So 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4. So if that's enough, you could just do the hands. Otherwise, we introduce a balance as well. Weight into one foot, lift the leg of the other, or the heel could be down. And then 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4. If you could, see if you can lift the heel as you change the hand once and then lower on the other. Otherwise, just keep the leg in one position if you prefer. 1, 4, 1, 4. Last one. And releasing, shaking out. So this time, peace on one hand and 4 on the other. Peace and 4. Peace and 4. So with the other leg, left foot, either you could just have the heel down or heel lifted, or you could do the movement one. So peace with one hand, 4 with the other. And then switch, peace and 4. Lift the heel, lower the heel, peace and 4. Lift the heel, peace and 4. Lower the heel, peace and 4. So it's probably created some laughter if you're not so good at it, which is great, because when we laugh, we're creating those feel-good hormones, those endorphins in the body. Great for healing. Peace and 4. Peace and 4. Peace and 4. Peace and 4. Last one. And releasing, shaking out. If you thought that was hard, this may be harder. Okay, this one I found really tricky when I first started doing it. Peace with one hand. So if you do find it too difficult, just do peace and 4 again. So peace with one hand and the other hand, okay. Peace with one hand, okay with the other. Peace. Okay, of course you can slow it down or make it quicker as you want. Peace. Okay. So the legs with that. Peace and okay. Leg to the side. So we're going to lift and then switch and then lower. So on the left we switch and then lower. Lift, switch. Lower, lift, switch. Pilates and brain training and lower. Lift, switch and lower and lift. Switch hands, peace, okay, and lower, release, shaking out. Onto the other side, tip of the toe. Or peace hand, okay hand, or 4 if you prefer. Lift, switch, peace, 4, lower. Lift, switch, peace, 4, oh, did 3. No, peace, okay. Lower. Lift, switch, peace, okay. Lower. Lift, peace, okay. Lower, last one, lift, peace, okay, and lower, release. And shaking out. Take the arms out in front, palms facing one another, then turn the palms away, thumbs facing down. Cross over at the wrist, and then draw the palms facing down, so toward the body, toward the belly. And then, if you can, twist the arms up. Good, and releasing. Keep the hands crossed for a moment, and then you'll change in the cross of the arms. So the other wrist is now on top. And draw the arms in toward the body. Crossing over. And reach the arms forward. And release. Wonderful. Taking the legs wide. So we're going to do knee bends. Knee bend and straighten. At the same time, you know this, pat, we're not doing that, but similar. One of our hands is going to be circling on the leg and the other hand patting. So one way usually somebody finds easy, the other way much harder. So let's give it a go. Bend the knees, keep the knees drawn back. And straighten, trying to keep the same pace. You might find you're kind of tapping and circling. Let's try the other way. Circling. Oh, I can't do it today. Once you've got the rhythm, bend your knees. So this is the brain gym. It said also to, oh God, I can't speak, do this, do that together, is to keep going. I can't seem to do it and talk. Help improve balance, coordination, help improve our brain function. So one side of the brain is creative, one side's more logical, so we're making those equal with the brain training. Last one. I've completely lost it. I think I'm doing it the opposite way, but it doesn't matter. And release and shake it out. Excellent work, well done.